This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull out the safety catch and open the bonnet. Engine oil level. The engine oil level filler cap is located on the top of the engine. Some models have a red cap fitted to the dipstick tube and not a dipstick. On these models, the oil is checked on the multifunction display unit on the instrument panel. By pressing the up and down buttons on the multifunction steering wheel repeatedly, engine oil level measuring now will appear on the display. Follow the instructions shown to achieve the correct oil level. If topping up is necessary, rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Add the correct grade of oil a little at a time and recheck the level. With the level correct, securely refit the filler cap. Coolant level. The coolant expansion tank is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. Slowly unscrew the filler cap to allow any residual pressure to escape. When the engine is cold, the coolant level should be up to the level marker inside the filler neck. If topping up is necessary, add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water. With the level correct, securely refit the filler cap. Brake and clutch fluid level. The brake and clutch fluid reservoir is located under a cover at the rear of the engine compartment. Rotate the fasteners 90 degrees anti-clockwise and remove the cover. The fluid level must be between the maximum and minimum marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, clean the area around the top of the reservoir. Then rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Add new .4 fluid from a sealed container. Securely refit the filler cap. Maneuver the cover into place, then rotate the fasteners clockwise to secure it. Power steering fluid. The power steering fluid reservoir is located at the front of the engine compartment. Ensure the engine is turned off and the wheels are in the straight ahead position. Clean the area around the top of the reservoir. Unscrew the filler cap and examine the oil level on the integral dipstick. Add the correct grade of fluid as necessary. Check the level again, then securely refit the filler cap. Screenwash fluid. The Screenwash reservoir filler cap is located at the front of the engine compartment. Open the cap and add a mixture of Screenwash additive and water. Close the cap. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.